Mouse cursor disappeared on Windows 11? Try these 3 quick fixes. If you check the cables and the mouse still isn't showing up, your screen may have temporarily frozen, so press the Windows key and Control and Shift and B at the same time. Your screen will flicker and may beep, which forces Windows to restart the graphics driver and can restore your cursor. If that doesn't resolve it, then try this. The driver may have crashed. You can use keyboard-only navigation to reinstall it. Press Windows key and X to open the quick link menu. Use the arrow keys to highlight Device Manager, then press Enter. Press the Tab key once, then use the down arrow key to move down to Mice and other pointing devices. Press the right arrow key to expand the category. Select your mouse using the arrow keys and press Shift plus F10. This acts as a right click. Choose Uninstall Device and press Enter. Restart your computer. Windows will automatically reinstall a fresh working driver upon reboot. If that still doesn't fix the issue, then try this. Sometimes a system feature hides the cursor while you type. Press the Windows key and I to open your settings. Use the Tab key to navigate the left menu and press Enter on Bluetooth and devices. Use the Tab key and down arrows to select mouse and press Enter. Select additional mouse settings. Press Ctrl and Tab to switch to the Pointer Options tab. Press the Tab key until you reach the Hide Pointer while typing box. Press the space bar to uncheck it, then use the Tab key to click OK and press Enter. And it should now be resolved.